Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do something new. And first I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie that I love. Easy smoothie for breakfast. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification and share with your friends. Let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. It was a pleasure making it for you. Also, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below if you'll be trying this recipe. And tell me what you eat for breakfast. Just tell me what you eat for breakfast. Also, subscribe if you're new. Turn on the notification and also share with your friends. And while you're at it, go ahead and click on this new video right here. Bye guys.